welcome. I'm Kimberly Titlebaum with Recipes for Success, and today I'm at the High Point Library in beautiful downtown High Point. Now, I know we're all staying at home due to COVID, but you should come here and see the wonderful gardens that our gardener Mark has put in. He's got all sorts of wonderful vegetables growing and sunflowers, but best of all, he's got herbs growing. And if you've not had fresh herbs in your cooking, you've really not been paying attention. So today, what we're going to talk about is cooking with herbs. It's the simplest spaghetti sauce in the world. It's a pesto sauce. And that's about 2 cups of basil. I can add more if I need to. Then I've already toasted pine nuts. If you don't have pine nuts, almonds or cashews work just as well. I'm adding in about a 1/2 cup right in there. Then I'm going to add garlic. And now I'm going to add oil. Good extra virgin olive oil. And I'm going to put about 1/2 cup into this. There we go. And the last thing I'm going to add is my black pepper. Don't need a lot, but a little bit will spark that flavor right up. Not going to add salt to this either. It doesn't matter. All right. So pine nuts, fresh basil, garlic, olive oil. Now I'm going to take this. You have to forgive me. I'm going to step over here for a minute. And I'm going to grind it up. Add a little bit more olive oil. Now you could just put this over ordinary pasta, or I've got whole wheat pasta. And I love whole wheat pasta because it has a little bit more bite to it. It has a little bit more of a nutty flavor. So, and I topped that with a little bit of sauteed squash. Why do I use sauteed squash? Because my garden is full of this stuff. I'm just going to put a nice tablespoon, and this is all it takes, over this, and I'm going to add a little bit of cheese as a garnish. And look at that. So this is a healthy, low-calorie meal. We've got our whole wheat of pasta, we have our veggies, and then we've got the pesto. And of course the pine nuts provide us with our protein that we need. So y'all just have to forgive me. I wish I could share this with y'all. I could get some in without making a mess of it. So that's cooking with herbs. There's so much more I'd love to tell you. I'd love to tell you about how to dry herbs and how to use fresh herbs to make oils. If you're interested in it, give us a shout out at our website, which is recipeforsuccess@uncg.edu, and let us know what other classes you'd like to hear about herbs. Also, if you could come to the farmers market here at the library every Saturday. I'm here most Saturdays, and I can answer questions about how to cook with herbs. Thank you so much, and we hope to be hearing from you.